United States of America. Please welcome Mr. Mar Palawan!
Magandang umaga, kauno! Malala tayo sa iyong Estados Unidos. Ang pangalan ko, Mar Palawan, and let me share to you and inspire you what happened in the United States. I left the country 1990 and I stayed in Chicago for 12 years. And then 2002, when I transferred to Houston, Texas, my friends, people, Philip, he called me about 12 o'clock midnight. Sabi niya sa akin, Mar, may share ako sa iyo. And you cannot resist this. Sabi ko, ano yun? Basta, ang masasabi ko lang sa iyo, ikaw ang una sa Texas. So what I did, with no hesitation, as soon as I got home, kumuha kagad, enroll kagad, hindi ko alam kung ano yung in-enroll ko. But what I did was I started looking at YouTube, I studied Uno, I researched on all their products, and that gave me the determination, the motivation to start my network, my Uno network. Being a nurse, nakita ko ang produkto natin na napakaganda ang kalidad. Now we're conquering the rest of the United States. And we will never stop conquering the world. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all.